still managing employee leaves manually and dealing with errors, conflicts, and confusion. Meet the Smart Employee Leave Tracker, a simple and powerful system built in Excel. View employee leaves in an individual calendar view. Just select the year and employee, and instantly see all leave details in one place. Leaves are clearly color-coded: sick leaves, PTO, FMLA, partial days, while company holidays are automatically dimmed and excluded. At the bottom, get an instant summary of working days, total leaves, sick days, PTO, FMLA, and partial days, with automatic comparison against last year for better insights. Need a bigger picture? The overall calendar view shows leave status for all employees at once. A built-in RAG system highlights high absenteeism, turning amber at 15% and red at 20%, so risks are visible immediately. Adding leaves is fast and smart. The system automatically prevents conflicts when backup employees overlap, ensuring business continuity. Backup rules, absentee percentage thresholds, employee lists, leave types, and company holidays are fully customizable to fit your organization's policies. Perfect for HR teams, managers, and growing businesses. Message me now to get your customized employee leave tracker.